Hello to all you folks out there. Today I'm going to be doing some weed whacking, and I wanted to share one of the protection that I use while I'm doing my weed whacking, and it's this shin and ankle guard from Forester, I believe the company's name is. And I love it because I don't use it all the time, but when I do use it for heavier brush work, it protects my shin, like I mentioned before, my ankles, my clothing, just stops all the heavier debris from just flying into you, like when you're dealing with star thistles or blackberry or anything thorny. So I'm going to be showing you how easy these things are to put on, and it might work out for you if you're also wanting to do weed whacking without wearing a long pants. So you got the front area and then you got the back area. So this is all waterproof, and there's two straps at the bottom. You just want to slide these all the way in, put that one on, and then next go ahead and tighten those straps. They're Velcro straps and they're very good at not becoming loose. So that's about it. As you can see, it pretty much covers a good amount of surface, and even your boots. You know what? It's a video without actually showing you this thing in action. Got finished, and like I said, these things come in pretty handy. See, there's no grass there, there's no stand, there's no nothing, and it might be something worth looking into. So again, that's the Forester knee gaiter, or Forester brush gaiter. I'm going to leave a link in the description below to something similar, or this particular one.